Hello, someone asked me to do a how-to video on making sliders. So here we go. Okay, I have some 80/20 ground beef, and I have a little scooper. Not the smallest one, probably the next to the smallest one, but anyway, I'm going to scoop one, and about a half of that is all we need. Okay, I'm going to add some pepper and some salt. A little bit more. I'm going to get this together. We want our pan to be like screaming hot. Should be about there. Let's see. Yeah. And I oiled my cast iron pan, as you can see. And I have some white onions that I've cut pretty thin. About a minute on that one side. I'm taking to flip it over. I'll let that cook about another minute or two. After about the first minute, half minute or so, come back here. Gonna add a piece of cheese. Put that back there. And I'm going to add a little bit of water just to help it steam and to soften that bun. That took about 2.5–3 minutes. Take it over here. Okay. Flip that over. Ooh, I kind of fry them kind of hard, but you get the point. A pickle. And this is some mustard and ketchup that I have mixed together. Bun is nice and soft. And here you have it. You see the bun is all nice and soft from the steam. The cheese is nice and melted. We're just going to cut it and see what it looks like on the inside. There we go. There's your slider. How easy was that? Pretty easy. Well, thanks for watching, and remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying, pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. Hey, I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Later. Make you a slider. I hope that explained it pretty well.